Venmo doesn't help me because I don't want to give my personal information out to somebody who I will never see again. Neither of the other payment apps, they're all kind of remind me of virtual checks, not cash. Pay people you know, pay people you don't know, pay and buy and donate to institutions, do a variety of things, and ultimately and very quickly also travel abroad and use the same app that you use at home, use abroad to pay and give money to people abroad. Press $4 and it produces this one-time code that Amy goes to her get screen, she puts in, and both of us get a notification the money's been transferred. And that's all there is to it.